public boat ramp. So I like the looks of this. The truck is hooked to the boat, but I don't have the taillights, the wiring hooked up yet for the trailer. I'm just pulling around the yard. So now I've got the 2 connectors, 2 hose clamps. I've even got a fuel filter. Very tempting. If we come over to the tanks, I'm actually thinking about using this dirty one on the outside because on the inside it is super clean. I went out and washed the tank up a little bit, made it a little bit better looking. And speaking of tomorrow, just picked up a boat motor and there is a boat ramp right here. This is the St. Johns River. We've not had the pontoon boat in the St. Johns River yet. That might be a future. It's a Johnson 9.9. Came with the tank. $400. Should have brought the boat. So I'm just coming back from town. I found these 2 boat trailer tires and wheels, $12 a piece. The boat motor. I'm about to stick it on the boat, see what it looks like. So there it is, sitting in place, and I think it looks perfect. I think before I tighten up the clamps, I'm gonna get some 2x4s and make some kind of bracing, some kind of triangular shaped bracing. Gotta strengthen up that little 2x4 just a little bit. Shouldn't take but a few minutes. So we have reached the part of the day where the shade from the house is shading the back of the boat. Perfect time to work. I've just cut these 3 boards. This one will go underneath right where it's sitting. Same thing for this one. And this one goes down underneath, trying to strengthen up the back end for the new kicker. Then we'll put some angle pieces in. We'll put an angle piece up in here, up in here. You're making me lose my mind. Up in here. At least that's what I thought of. Okay, so the back has been all reinforced. We've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boards, and I'm just about to put the motor on. That's just strengthening up a bunch and enough. Okay, good news, my gas tank is full. This is my gas and oil mixture. If we follow the hose, the bulb is pumped up, the hose is hooked up. Downstairs we've got the water hose hooked up. It's time to do a start. This is what the boat sounds like inside the tiny house, and it's running out of gas. I'm running the gas out of the carburetor, and that's it. So I've got the pontoon boat back out. This time we're at a springs, Royal Springs at the Swanee River. I'll show you the sign. Royal Springs. And it's a public boat ramp. So now the kicker is on, the trolling motor is even on, and we're at the river. I'm gonna hook up the gas tank next, pump it up and fire it off. We need to do a little speed check. So once we get on the boat, that's how much the foot sticks down in the water. That's gonna be plenty enough. I've got the line hooked up. I've already pumped up the ball. Up next, we're gonna make sure she's in neutral. Neutral, yes. Might even choke it. I might hand the camera to one of the boys. Not the candle, the camera. Here, boys. Here. Turn this all the way to start. One pull. She's ready. I see your noodle.
No pushing.
There's Braveheart. Yep.
Might want to move. I'm going to do it. Look at Daddy and Julia.
How old are you?
Hi, Elena. Never do what I just did. What? I didn't get hurt.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Much better. So I'm tied up now on the other side of the river. We're sitting in the shade. There's a tree overhanging this spot. There's some big rocks falling into the water. And if you look up, somebody's built a little stone cabin. Maybe a playhouse for the kids when they were growing up. Looks like it had a little fireplace in it at one time. It's about like a pecan. Let's put him in the sun. How's it going? Good deal. Where you going? Let me know. You are? I had to go pick up the noodle.
Are you jumping?
Oh, way over there.
I'm going to come after you, I think.
Okay. Go. Watch, just push off.